To use Apple Pay on eBay, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have the latest version of the eBay app installed. You will also need to have a credit or debit card added to your Apple Wallet. First, open the eBay app on your device and navigate to the item you want to purchase. Once you have selected your item, proceed to checkout by clicking the Buy It Now button or adding the item to your cart and then clicking the Pay Now button. On the checkout page, select Apple Pay as your payment method. You may need to sign in to your eBay account to continue. If you do not see Apple Pay as an option, ensure that you have a compatible device and that Apple Pay is set up on your device. After selecting Apple Pay, review your payment details to ensure everything is correct. You will see the payment amount, your default shipping address, and your default payment card. If everything is correct, click Continue to proceed with the payment. You will then be prompted to authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, depending on your device settings. Once you have authenticated the payment, the transaction will be processed, and you will receive a confirmation of your purchase. It is essential to note that Apple Pay on eBay is only available for certain types of purchases, such as fixed price listings and best offer purchases. Additionally, ensure that your credit or debit card is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have sufficient funds to complete the transaction. Using Apple Pay on eBay provides an additional layer of security, as your actual card number is not shared with the seller. Instead, a unique device account number is used to process the payment. This makes it a convenient and secure way to make purchases on eBay.